My daughter is now my wife. I remember when you come out of your mother brains. It's not just brain but brains. It's not just many but planes. In love, in care, and in everything she do, she loves you. Yeah, you're not the first, but yet you are the last. Time so running so fast. You are a teens now. Oh, not even not even a teens, but an adult. No, I know it's my fault to give your country away. For what? For the cause of play? This is serious. You're so mysterious. The fabulous of you being a female. And being my daughter. That become my wife. And you said before, what is life? And now you become a creator. You said you want to become a perfecter. You said, I hate you. I hate you with all my life. And you will pay for all you've done. To give my country away. And I want you to be slave. Mark my word. I will never be your daughter anymore. You said it's so hard. And it's just the part of me being so broken. And I just want to spoken. You tear me down into pieces. And you never come for me to please me again and again and again. And after a long journey of you for being a princess, to become a creator. Yes, do you have a mentor? A mentor who teach you, but you manage to become a creator. For what? To get revenge for your father who loved you so much. And he just a victim of a scheme. Because what? He didn't go to study in university. It's like a velocity that burned him when he ride in his car. That's what he felt. He felt when he thinking of you. You're so young and vulnerable. All you want is pleasurable. but there's like a bowl in your belly. Bowl of anger. Anger that never goes away, even the time, the lapses, the corpses, the spaces you travel, the anger that will never go away. You go out, you leave your mother. You said, I hate my father. I hate him so much that I will get revenge. I will become so wise, wiser and wiser and wiser. No one can pleaser me. Pleaser? I will become a player. That's what she said. No one can stop me in my plan. Until the day I die. That's what she said. Until she died. And one day, the era come. And it feels like it's gonna come. I saw my father in the country where I born. I thought he's in Mongolia. I thought he's the one who will change the era. But what he is doing here? He is a half. He have no legs. He have no private part. And I feel like he is in my part. Everything changed when I'm reached 5 years old. It's like a paper that unfold. Unfold and unfold. The story that untold. It's just a story of one what bold saying, pleasing. He really cared, I felt. And now my father is my husband. The anger's gone. There is so much fun when we born in the same country. It's like a food in the pantry. I need to choose what to cook. Even I look, even not in my book. Even I play, even what's float in the water I felt. What is his feelings? My anger go away. My anger is gone. What is this? I promise to myself I'll kill him. I'll kill him. I'll tear him down into pieces because of what he done. My country is now back to me. He never say sorry, but he just smile. He just give a water of fire. I don't know where she get it, but I'm sure he meant it. He meant it. What is this? It's like a water, a flowing of life and death. But he said, just drink it. And I said, Father, you are not my wife. And I mean it. I mean it to myself. I already forgive him. And what is this? My country, 3 times the size of the first he get and pay for someone else. It's like my brace that hurt me in the first, and now my teeth is perfect and fair to smile on my life. And I'm happy now in my life. What? They will abuse me. They will accuse me. They do if they can. But my father is now my husband. Galit. Tapos na ba? Tapos na. Naisip. Ganyan.